Why you forget things and how to fix it. Ever walked into a room and instantly forgotten why you are there? Or studied all night, then completely blanked in the exam? You are not alone. Forgetting is part of how your brain works. And today, I'll show you why it happens, and more importantly, how to stop it. Hey, I'm Ram Awadh, and this is English Shades, where we turn science into simple, useful tips you can actually use. Let's talk about the real reasons you forget things and how to remember them for good. Here's the truth. Forgetting isn't a glitch in your brain, it's actually a survival feature. Your mind is like a giant library, but it only keeps the books people check out often. Here's what causes the lost files: decay. Memories fade if you don't revisit them. Think footprints in the sand, gone with the next wave. Interference. New memories can push old ones out. Learn a new password. Say goodbye to the old one. Retrieval failure. The memory is still there, you just can't find it. Like knowing a song lyric, but only remembering it after the moment's passed. Stress fatigue. When your brain's tired or stressed, it's like running on 8% battery. Good luck loading anything. Think of your memory in 3 stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding, taking in new info. Storage, keeping it safe. Retrieval, pulling it back when you need it. If any stage breaks down, the memory feels gone, but most of the time, it's just hiding. Now for the fix, here are 5 proven ways to make memories stick. Spaced repetition. Review over increasing gaps. 1 day, 3 days, a week, a month. Mnemonics, associations, link facts to vivid or even ridiculous images. Chunking, split info into smaller parts. 177618451945 becomes 1776/1845/1945. Sleep. Your brain saves memories while you sleep. Skimp on sleep. Say hello to forgetfulness. Active recall. Test yourself instead of just rereading. Struggle is what makes